this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com. I want to show you what I did. I bought these dash makers off of Amazon to see if they're good for my customers and try them out. So it only took me, I would say, under 10 minutes to make all of these. So this is how you can make your bread, or you can use any of the mixes and make it in bulk. But I'm going to show you how to make the skinny bread or the garlic bread in bulk. So what you do is you get a quart of egg whites and just dump it in the bowl. This is how you get high protein. And I, believe it or not, I got the same amount of waffles I do in my commercial waffle maker. My commercial waffle maker, they look bigger, but these must be thicker or something because I got the exact same. I'm gonna put a half a cup of oat fiber. Oops! Did you enjoy that? That's my baking skills for you. I'm gonna put 2 cups of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Most of the time, if you buy this and it's 32 ounces, it's 3 cups. I measured it 3 cups, so I know that if I just put 2/3 of this in, I'm putting 2 cups, okay? This adds a lot of protein. And guys, this does add a little bit of carbs, okay? But what I noticed is when I eat plain non-fat Greek yogurt, I always lose weight. So I don't even care about the carbs that get added because of this. And then I'm gonna do 2 cups of my mix. Now the bulk mix comes in 20 servings, which is 5 cups. I'm doing 2 cups. I've already did the skinny bread. Now I'm doing the garlic bread. This is for me so that I have enough mix for the week. Now what I'm gonna do is take my immersion blender and blend it. I'm gonna unplug one of these. There we go. And this is how I get a really good consistency. You could probably use a whisk, but this is way easier. Okay guys, now we are going to start cooking these. The nice thing about these waffle makers is they even give you a drip tray. So I'm gonna put this on the side to show you what they look like. Oops, I forgot some in here. Of course, that's just like me, right? It's okay. They don't burn, obviously. They don't go bad. These have been in for a long time. So what I'm gonna do, I spray the bottom ones first, okay? And then you don't fill it. If you fill it, this is a drip tray. And it's just gonna go into the drip tray. So what I do is I put about that much. I'm gonna close it.
As the mixes get thicker, you might want to like spread.
Yeah, you might need.
They won't spread by themselves.
Yeah, Genevieve is the pro at making waffles, so she's right. And then this one that I got is a square one. So I'm going to show you what they look like while they're cooking. And I spray the bottom, pour it, and then spray the top so that the top doesn't all drip to the bottom and mess up the machine. I have commercial ones, but honestly, I'm not happy with the company I bought them from because 2 of them died and they won't give me my money back. That's why I was trying to find something else. At least if you buy these on Amazon and something happens, you get your money back. We're gonna close this, we're gonna wait. And what they do, so look, one batch, again, got me 32 waffles, okay? So a little bit more than that. But I got 16 round ones out of the round one. And again, these look a little bit smaller, but that's how many I get out of my commercial one. And then the square one, I got 16 of these too. Okay, so you can make sandwiches. The square one on Amazon is $40. The circle one is $50. But I'm trying to get a wholesale account with Dash so I can sell these ones at the market, because I really want you guys to buy bulk, because the more you eat, the more you lose. Okay, guys? So the batch that I showed you is protein style, and it makes 32 waffles. So that should last you, that's 8 mixes. I mean, honestly, you're supposed to eat that in 4 days. But if you can't, like, you can eat it in 8 days and then eat cake mixes. But these are delicious. They're bread. Again, 1 serving is 4 waffles. 1 serving is 200 calories, 28 grams protein, 16 grams fiber, and 2 net carbs plus whatever carbs you get from the Greek yogurt. Okay, guys? Come see us in the Davison Farmers Market. We are there every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Or you can order online, healthytreatsmarket.com. Right now, the 20 serving is on sale. Or you can go on YouTube and watch all our videos. Subscribe on our YouTube channel, Healthy Treats Market on YouTube, so you can see more videos like this. And don't forget to like our Healthy Treats Market page and join our Healthy Treats Market support group on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. And just so you can see, this is, oops, sorry about that. This is how they come out. And see, this is the drip tray, okay? So the part that fell on the drip tray, I'm gonna just stick it back in here. I'm gonna just stick it back in there and reuse it so I don't waste it. And these are all for me. Okay, see how nice they are? See how beautiful they turned out? These are the garlic ones. So this is what I'm gonna make bagels and cream cheese with and things like that. And pizza. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. God bless you.